What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Nate. I'm gonna back in action number 2, a stream cheapskate. Before I get into the video, what you do is like, comment, subscribe, and turn the notification on about another reaction video. Right there, stream cheapskates, man. Cause this is crazy, guys. Let's run this back. She already seen up the gloves on. Using a needle for the clothes liquid. That's not enough to clean your clothes. No, ladies and gentlemen, laundry detergent do not run a scam on y'all. Y'all use a full cap. Don't do what she just did she used a needle for the liquid for the clothes, and that's half clean your clothes. It's still gonna be dirty. You just use a full cap. Your clothes be fully clean, and it'll smell good. Take that from me. You just learned something. Let's continue. Nah. It's cheap, man. Overdoing it? I mean, undoing it. What's she doing with the lint from the dryer? She's saving the lint from the dryer. Nah, what you gonna do with that? And she got a Zella bag of lint from the dryer. First off, it's not clean. The lint from the dryer is not clean, and that's unsanitary. Ladies and gentlemen, do not do that either. Don't collect the lint from the dryer and think it's clean. It's still filthy, ladies and gentlemen. Then let's get into the bill. Nah, cotton swabs don't. Oh, she touching her face with the lint from the dryer. It's gonna break out. Cotton swabs only $1.25 at the dollar store. Don't be cheap. That's not cheap. That's just cheap. I mean. Yeah, you don't care about your sanitization. Break out. The lint is not clean. What? Listen, I understand you're trying to save money. I get that. But she take one light bulb and she moved from room to room with that one light bulb. I get you trying to save money, but that's the ultimate extreme cheapness, guys. Don't do that. Let's continue this video. You want to spend on it. Try and be cheap. Extreme cheap. Nah. Navy showers. You're not allowed to take long showers. Nah. He said you're not allowed to take long showers. That means shorty run the relationship. Let me know that I'm not gonna let my girl do me like that. Or I'm gonna leave that relationship. Let's continue, Bill. Wow. Lay your body down. Nah. Nah, I wouldn't be in that relationship. And that's nasty. Your girl? Yeah, your girl run a relationship, buddy. You in the baby monitor in the bathroom? Yeah, bro. Or left the relationship. Yeah, she crazy. Yeah. It is out there. She said she got reusable boiling water. What you mean? That water like it got chunks and everything and stuff floating in it. That's nasty. But let's see what she gonna do with it. And I was right. Chunky. Nah. She made the biscotti in that reusable boiling water with the chunks in it. Hold on. So you telling me she used that reusable boiling water and it had chunks in it? So she made biscotti in that. and she feeding it to her man and her 2 kids. Hopefully, poor kids, man. Hope these kids don't get sick, and Buddy over here don't get sick as well. Let's continue, man. That's just poor baby. Wow. Nah. I bet you would save it. Nah. That's cheap, bro. Wow. Nah. Next pasta sauce. Ain't enough in there. But she cheap. Yeah. She go overboard. She cheap. Hold on. So you telling me she's sitting up there cleaning plastic forks, even though she could go to the dollar store and get plastic forks for $1.25 for a whole pack of brand new forks? That's ultimate extreme being cheap. But continue. Okay. She unhappy. I wouldn't even. That was my girl. I wouldn't even want to invite nobody over there. 'Cause that'd be embarrassing. So I ain't gonna let nobody walk over me. Like what? You ain't spending nothing? Wow. He acting like a wimp. Dollar cent, see? Uncomfortable. Wow. Yeah, she loony. And he a wimp, bro. Digging on a monthly budget. You don't be like you spend nothing. Nah, man. Hold on. So you telling me Shorty went in the grocery store and digging in a pack of grapes and putting it in another bag instead of buying the grapes in the bag and get the other bag and you put the grapes in the other bag and when you get to the crib. That's unsanitary and I hope they threw them grapes in the trash, guys. Let's continue, man. Nah. Even old lady looking at her. Yo. Sad. 3 bananas. She's sitting there peeling the bananas in a grocery store and she putting them in a bag. Wow. I never see nobody do the same thing. I didn't never see nobody peel the bananas and put it in a bag and put it in a basket as well. That's weird. Let's continue, guys. Yeah. Ground beef. Leftovers. Daily basis. Like he said it. Expired. Why would you sell expired food? Facts. 2 pounds of beef fat. Oh my. That's probably for lasagna. Oh man. I bet you would. Wow. Probably so. Ew. What is that's how they probably ground beef looking like that? Nah. Nah. That's the beef fat? Ew. Nah, bruh. Oh no. And none. Ew. Multitask. Washing dishes and clean and make and it's gonna put balls. She said washing dishes and cooking. Wow. I hope she. I'm gonna see for myself, guys. Let's get back to the video. She she putting the lasagna in the dishwasher. What? Nah, bro. She putting the lasagna. She really this legit put the lasagna in the dishwasher to cook. That's the definition of being extreme cheap and it's unsanitary. Ew. Let's continue, man. Yeah, rotation like dishwater. Yeah. Got the people coming over to the party. Sitting dark. Embarrassed. Wow. You turn off the TV. Save money for electricity. You can't be with that relationship then. Can't be in a relationship then. Can Yeah, she is cheap. I can't be in a relationship. I gotta do all that. Stand use the restroom. Oh no. Yeah, so you gotta use a candle to go to the bathroom. Wow, that's embarrassing and cheap. Looking in the dryer, washer, washing, not dryer, dishwasher, cooking food. Ew, they eating that? Ain't good. Yeah, water. Yeah, it's nasty. Alright. The baby don't want to eat it. Yeah, that's the end of Extreme Cheapskates. Before I end the video, what you do is like, comment, subscribe, and turn the notification over on the next video. And yeah, wasn't that dry? I mean, the dishwasher. She really cooked the lasagna in the dishwasher. That's just unsanitary and it is another thing is being nasty. And I'm out. Bye y'all.